Okay, so I'm gonna draw something and I want you to guess what it is. What's that you say? A wall? Yes, you are right. These are individual bricks in the wall. Good job. So what does this have to do with a writing class? Well, so much. So let me tell you why. Do you remember Dr. B, the award-winning doctor with an impressive track record of publications? When she was running tests on your loved one to try to get to the bottom of the strange symptoms, Dr. B noticed an unusual biomarker in the blood work. Nobody had written about this before, so Dr. B writes an article on this observation and publishes it in a highly reputable medical journal. Out it goes into the world. Dr. C, located in Johannesburg, South Africa, picks up that medical journal one afternoon. He gets a subscription to the journal as part of his membership to the International Association of Medical Doctors. He reads Dr. B's article and realizes, wait a minute, I noticed that same biomarker in a few of my patients. He reaches out to Dr. B and they decide to run a study together, exchanging data from their patients with patient permission, and they publish a groundbreaking article in another medical journal. In this article, they hypothesize causes and potential treatments for this disorder. Dr. E, located in Shanghai, reads that article by Dr. B and Dr. C and decides to replicate the study with a team of graduate students to test the hypothesis. Dr. E and her grad team publish the paper. The hypothesis is confirmed, but in their experiments, they find something new, another biomarker that always seems to appear, another clue. Dr. F and his team take that up and run the test. And so on, and so on, and so on. All the way through the alphabet, researchers are communicating and sharing knowledge. They're working across space and time. To solve this mystery that all began with a very small observation by Dr. B. This, my friends, is what I like to call the wall of knowledge. This can also be referred to as the scholarly conversation in some of your readings, or the discourse community. With each publication of a research question, a hypothesis, or a finding, we add a new brick. This is true for every single field, whether you're in the sciences, the social sciences, business, the humanities, engineering. Take, for example, a topic from the humanities. Any topic. Let's say who Chopin's influences were and how they informed classical compositions today. There is a wall of knowledge about that question, about any question. Your job as students is to find the edge of the wall. What are the bricks that came before you? And where is the wall ending? Where has the conversation stopped? Where are there still big question marks? First, you need to see what other experts have found. And then you need to see how you can add your own brick or pebble or even grain of sand to the edge of the wall. By looking back in time and space, you see what other experts have said. You synthesize what they have said. You find new connections. You find gaps in the wall. And then you add your own brick. That brick could be a new data point, a new discovery, a new idea, a new interpretation, or my favorite, a new question. You don't always have to have the answers. You can actually find new questions that you noticed come out of the wall of knowledge. That's what research is all about. It's about a conversation among scholars and thinkers and artists and practitioners across space and time, all exploring the same question or related questions, each adding their own finding or analysis, and collectively advancing our ways of knowing, our ways of doing, and our ways of being in the world.